Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2, and I thought I would just add this in. I'm going to make a little short video. When you're drawing and you want them all to be that shape, I just showed a video where you would just change it. When you have the rectangle tool, you can change this to 2 inches. And whatever you have selected here is going to draw it. And then just start drawing. But if you want this shape, that'd be fine. But unselect anything and go to your rectangle tool. And this time, let's select that. And we've still got 2 inches. So now we're going to draw, well, it didn't work. Rectangle tool, I must have had something selected. And there we go. Now you're drawing like this every time. I don't really see the advantage of this one. I see the advantage of the other one or even the scallop ones. So unselect, don't select anything when you grab your rectangle tool and select that. And then every time you draw, it'll be like that. And you can go in there and change your dimension. Now with that said, you need to go back and put this to 0. And if you normally draw in the rounded corners, then you need to keep it like that. Because see here, we need to put this to 0. And now we're going to draw like that. So keep in mind, once you've kind of changed it, it kind of sets it into maybe a mini default. I don't know if you turn the Corel off and turn it back on, it'll still be there because you haven't saved it in default. But you can always easily change it back. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.